Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Mate Xs2, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, we will pull down our notifications, or toggles more precisely, from the top right side of the screen, and somewhere here you'll find your hotspot toggle. For me it is right over here. Once you see it first time around, you want to hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings, where I recommend navigating to the password section and just changing it. It is a randomly generated password, so without navigating here you have no way of knowing what it is set to by default. But once you're here, I recommend changing it to something that I can actually remember. So it will need to have at least 8 characters in length, and it will probably tell you that this password can be easily guessed. Cool, I don't care. Use anyway, there we go. So once you change the password, you can close this and then just find the toggle and tap on it whenever you want to enable it. Once you're done using it, you can tap on this toggle once more to turn it off, as hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery. So if you're not using it, I recommend trying to remember to turn it off. But with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.